Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to reinstall Locket without losing your photo history. If the app is glitching or you just need a clean install, don't worry, your photos and friends are tied to your phone number. On your home screen, long press the Locket app and remove the app, then tap delete app to fully uninstall it. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos from your lock servers. Next, what you're gonna do is press and hold the power button plus the volume button, slide to power off, wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. This clears leftover cached data that caused the problem after reinstalling. Next, what you're gonna do is open your app store and then search for Locket Widget app and then see if there's an update button available. If there is, click on the update button. It will update your app and fix all the bugs that is causing the problem. Next, grant all the permissions of your app from settings. Go to Locket app and then just grant the camera permission, notification and background app refresh. After that, wait a few seconds and let everything load. Your photos and friends history, friend list and widget settings will automatically reappear. They're stored securely on Locket servers, not on your device. Privacy tip: never share your verification code or phone number with anyone. That's the key to restoring your entire Locket history. Quick fix: if your photos don't show up after reinstalling, force close and reopen the app. Reopen the app to trigger a refresh. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. If you changed your phone number recently, contact Locket support to help transfer your data. Subscribe for more quick fixes.